In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get student loan for study abroad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up a student loan for studying abroad. Student loans can be a valuable tool for financing your studies abroad. So in this video, I'm going to give you a general guide on how to approach them. So first, research your options. In this video, I'm going to showcase two options that you can use to get student loans, but of course you should do your own research and find the best option for you according to the repayment terms that they offer and whichever options they have available. So make sure that you research federal student loans, private student loans, and of course scholarships and grants. Next, assess your eligibility. Be aware of the citizenship and residency requirements. Determine if you qualify for federal or private loans based on your status, and be aware of your credit history. Private lenders may consider your credit history when determining eligibility and interest rates. And finally, gather all of the required documents. So the two websites that I want to showcase that will grant you a student loan are going to be the Navy Federal Credit Union and Lightstream. You will be able to go over to these websites and click apply now. They will have their rates as you can see here. So for Navy Federal, they will have a fixed APR percentage as you can see here, and then variable. So you just have to be aware of the terms and see which one you fall into. If you want to apply, like I said, you just have to click apply now and follow through the instructions. You will be able to choose between plenty of options related to getting the student loan, and you can just follow here to make sure if you qualify for the rates that they offer. Now, because this contains a lot of personal information, unfortunately, I won't be able to show you the full process on screen. You will have to follow the instructions listed here, and you will be able to get this process done. You will receive the money, and you will have to agree with the repayment terms that they offer. So be aware of all of that during these instructions. I hope I was able to help you on how to get student loan for study abroad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.